I have been using the 1000 Hour Home Lash Brow Kit for well over 12 months now, and as we all know, through COVID it really did change how we do beauty, which is at home. So I've never actually gone back to a brow bar since using this product, so I'm going to do it for you today and show you how to do it step by step. I'm using the dark brown because I actually have quite a lot of white eyebrow hair, and I feel like this is the one that covers me so well and it lasts for 1000 hours. So I'm going to use some pawpaw cream just with a cotton tip, and I'm just going to go on my skin where there's no hair, just so I can wipe that off once I've put the dye on. So I'm just going to apply this on the top and the bottom. So 1000 Hour do suggest that you do a patch test about 48 hours before, just to make sure your skin's not sensitive. I've used this product many times, so I'm good to go. But if you have got sensitive skin, they do a plant-based range as well. So you could try that one. I'm using the dark brown because I've got a lot of white hairs in here, and I find the dark brown on me covers it so nicely. Okay, so now we're going to mix up in our little pot here, and this product actually does last about 12 months. So you do 10 drops of the liquid and about 2 centimeters of the dye. Pop it in here, give it a swirl, and then you're good to go. I've just mixed this until the consistency, as you can see, like it's super creamy, and it's good to go. So I tend to, where I've got those really white ones, really get in there, and I go back and forth just to make sure I'm on either side of the hair and take it up to here. So a good thing to do is actually don't touch your skin, just go on top of it and glide over it, just so you're not wiping it too much on your skin, you're just getting these little hairs. The other side, this one's actually my really white one. We literally just leave it on for 10 minutes and you have salon brows. If you're a little bit concerned, like say you're going out or something, I would highly suggest using the 1000 Hour Stain Remover. Same application, just pop it on a cotton tip and just wipe it around just to make sure you're not getting any stainage on your skin. So 10 minutes is up, so I've just got some cotton pads just with water, and literally that is it. Oh, they look so good. And this is going to last for 6 weeks, so 1000 hours is how long my brows are going to be perfect. And the final touch is the Instabrow 1000 Hour Gel. I love this product so much. So with this gel, you could create like a bit of a fluffy look and brush them upwards, or even if you've got quite long, wiry kind of brows, this is just perfect just to keep them in place. And because my brow tint is so good, I don't even have to put anything to fill them in, like eyebrow pencil or powder. I just need the gel. Ta-da!